westbound Charleston from Mojave.
Copy.
6 away monitoring.
Still westbound Charleston approaching 28.
6 away confirming pursuit, and how many do you have with you?
Got one more unit. I've been shot at.
Are you injured?
DPAC with your unit following the vehicle. We want to try to combine channels.
From Charlie 1, are you injured?
It's Charlie 4. I'm not injured.
Okay, copy.
6 I'm going to switch over to D-Tag so we can...
Watch out! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired again!
Copy. Where are you at, Charlie 4?
Going northbound eastern from Charleston. Hey, back up! He's shooting! Get down! Hey, the other one's up there! Hey, the
What are you, stupid, bro? Yo. Go. Get it! Close the air. We're behind that vehicle. Cut in front of it. Give me a mic. I just pulled in front and drew my weapon. We're trying to get in front of it. No. Come, good point. Get it! Shots fired on that vehicle, shots fired. 999 in the head. 999. We're going northbound on Bergen. Shots were fired by police. Going northbound on shot at him. It's gonna be New Jersey Tag, Solo 41, Union Hotel, 2 males in the vehicle. After the first precinct right now, Bergen. 17 times. Keep going, bro. Go around. Relax, bro. Relax. Wait right there. Relax. Go around, bro. Stop worrying about that. No. Get in. Relax, bro. Let me go. Get in!
relax. He pointed the gun at me. Bro, he pointed the gun right at me. No, get in! Cut him first, man. Review the red car. Review the car. Cut him right on. He's gonna hop out. Relax. Close it. No, man. He's gonna hop out. See the door. I see the door. Stop. How you doing, sir? We need that door open.
It don't open.
How do you open it?
You gotta climb out or come over the side.
Okay.
This is my car.
All right. Yeah, it doesn't open. All right, come out this way.
No.
Take the keys out the ignition.
Stop doing that.
Come on.
Stop. Come on. No. Stop it.
He's coming this way. He's coming out this way. All right.
What is he talking about?
Appreciate you. Come on.
What is he talking about? No.
Let's go. No!
Fuck.
Are you okay?
Motherfucker! Get that fucker! Let's go. Let's get him. He just fled. I got knocked over. He just fled. I got knocked over. He's going northbound on 27th Street. He jumped in the driver's seat and took off.
Door finding at Grand Dam.
Where'd it go?
Straight.
Related to your
God damn it, I knew he was going to do that. Here.
There you go.
2270. Got a silver Pontiac Grand Prix. Wisconsin plate 327 Young Union X-ray. North on 27th Street. Jailord for his arrest. He took off. Knocked me to the ground. I'm uninjured. Just going north on 27th Street towards Pierce. Lost sight of him. I'm trying to keep up.
Clear again?
Not clear. Clear.
I told you to take the keys out the ignition. They really are still in.
I believe he's still going north, but I'm not sure.
Plate number again, please. Grand Prix.
329 Union Young X-ray. There should be one black male. His name is Mario Hobson. He's the driver. Please notify District 3. I believe he may have went over the viaduct on 27th Street.
You okay?
Hands. Son of a...
10-4. You said Mario Hobson, Hopson?
Henry Ocean Boy, Sam Ocean Nora. Black male, bald, about 50 years old. He has a gray goatee. He's about 5'8", 180 pounds. Is that it right?
Where?
No, that's not it. We lost sight of it. We don't know where it is. Last thing going northbound on 27th Street, possibly in the District 3. We're at St. Paul now. We no longer see the vehicle. Could have gotten on the freeway too.
Right here, just pull up behind these cars. Block this. Block this. Get up.
Yeah, we're all on front now. We're looking for the car.
What are you guys doing here? With that car in front of you. Are you guys dropping something off?
No.
Oh, from who? Just so I know. Which house you guys going to?
We looking for my friend's house, but we about to pull off now.
Well, what's your friend?
Her name Eric.
Eric?
I gotta be back on my lunch break. I don't even want to.
They're picking up something, but we don't know where.
I don't even want to pick it. Can I just go, please?
Well, why? I gotta figure out what you're picking up because that's what we're here for.
Our keys to my house so I can get in the house.
And who? Can you call this person to come out, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, I was actually just going to call you up. First update, it says that they were conveyed to China.
Okay. Take the keys out of the car. Hand them to me. Come back to the house. Come back to the house now.
PC talk to Curtis.
Unlock.
No,
Unlock.
Go,
Go! 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 Mario! Mario! Stop the gun! Holy shit. Mario! Go! Kids, come here! Kids, come here! Come here, boy!